Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the MUFGA Hydroponics growing system. If you love gardening and want to know the best herbs to grow in your garden, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Highlight the key features. LED grow lights, 12 pods, adjustable height, and hydroponic circulation system. The MUFGA Hydroponics growing system is a game-changer for indoor gardening. With its advanced features, it's the ideal choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features of this system. First, we have high-performance LED grow lights that simulate natural sunlight, promoting rapid plant growth, no matter the weather or season. With 12 pods, you can grow a variety of herbs, vegetables, or flowers right in your home. It's like having a mini garden in your kitchen. The height-adjustable garden kit ensures that your plants get the perfect amount of light at every growth stage, from seedlings to full-grown plants. MUFGA's hydroponic circulation system guarantees a continuous supply of water and oxygen to your plants, resulting in healthier and faster growth. Now, let's talk about why the MUFGA hydroponics growing system is a must-have for your indoor garden. This system accelerates plant growth up to 5 times faster than traditional soil methods. It's perfect for impatient gardeners. You can grow a wide range of herbs, veggies, and flowers, even during the cold winter months. It's a year-round garden solution. Whether you're a gardening novice or expert, assembling and using this system is a breeze. Plus, the automatic light timer takes care of your plants for you. MUFGA offers a 60-day, 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with your purchase, they've got you covered. For warranty information, check the link in the description below. In conclusion, the MUFGA Hydroponics growing system is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to grow herbs, vegetables, or flowers indoors. It's convenient, efficient, and perfect for those with limited space. Encourage viewers to check the link in the description for more information and to make a purchase. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!